I bought myself a reel for my fishing rod today. I'd been meaning to do it last week, but I just didn't get around to it. And the weather's going to be pretty good for the next few days, so here's hoping. And yes, I do have a fishing rod to go with it. I just need to pick up some tackle now.